Hi guys! Today, we're making the roses of our bag. So let's get started. Start with maroon yarn and look for the V spaces in the leaves. Now chain 12 in the space. After that, skip 2 chains and work a half double in the 3rd chain. Now work 3 half double crochets in the next chain. Next, work 1 half double and work a picot stitch. Now work 2 half doubles in the same stitch. This is what we will be doing till the end. 1 half double, a picot stitch and 2 half doubles in the same stitch. Repeat till the end. When you guys make projects inspired by my tutorials, don't forget to put a story mentioning me or DM me on Instagram. I'm always excited to teach you guys. Tell me in comments if my tutorials are understandable. I made 10 roses in total. Once we reach the end, chain 2 and slip stitch to the chain where we made our half doubles. Give shape to the roses. Pass the hook through the holes and slip stitch. It will secure the rose and it will not open. Once it is done, chain 1 and secure. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Do subscribe and share. Bye.